Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Have you studied the poem What Would You Like to Be? Is it very easy to read the poem, children? Okay, let's see the poem.
Yeah, I will read the poem, children. What would you like to be? What would you like to be? I shall be an engine driver and make my engine fly across the river and the streams and straight across the sky. My engine shall be mighty the moment I am in it, and it shall speed across the sky at 90 miles a minute, and thousands looking will say, what guts this boy's got. He is not an engine driver, but a mighty astronaut. Okay, children. Can you remember the meaning of 6 lines, children? Okay, let me recall it. What would you like to be? It means what is your ambition? Very good. Here, I indicate what, children? Yeah, good. Poet. The poet will be an engine driver and he makes his engine fly to cross the river, streams and sky also. Very good. Then, when the poet starts his work, his engine got power and follow his instruction and done the work. Very good, children. Here, what is the meaning of mighty? Yeah, good, powerful. Say the spelling, children. Powerful. Powerful. Okay, good. Then, what is the line rougher? My engine shall be mighty. Good. The line refers the personification. What is the personification, children? It is intended to give a human quality to the object. Very good. I hope everyone remembered the meaning. Now let's see the next 6 lines. Okay. I will read the lines. And it shall speed across the sky at 90 miles a minute, and thousands looking will say, what guts this boy's got. He is not an engine driver, but a mighty astronaut. Okay, let's see, children. Children, see the 7th and 8th line is very different. I will read the line. And it shall speed across the sky at 90 miles a minute. When the engine will cross the sky at 90 miles in a minute. Do you know the definition of minute, children? Okay, let's see one paper. What is this, children? Yeah, good. This is watch. This is hour hand. This is minute hand. This is second hand. See, the second hand is rotating. See, children, in the watch. Is it rotating? Yeah, good. The second hand is rotating. So, 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. 24 hours equal to 1 day. Okay, children. So, 1 minute equal to what, children? 60 seconds. The poet mentioned 90 miles, isn't it? See, 1 mile equal to 1.609 kilometers. Then 90 miles equal to what, children? 144.841 kilometers. Is it possible to cross it, children? No. But the poet done it. See the lines once again. And it shall speed across the sky at 90 miles a minute. And thousands looking will say, here thousand refers people. Yeah, thousands refers to what, children? People. Very good. When you done a different work, the people will appreciating you, isn't it? The same way, here also people appreciating the poet. What guts this boy's got? Do you know the meaning, guys? Yeah, good. Courage. Say the spelling. Courage. Courage. Very good. The people said that the boy is a very brave man. He got more courage. Okay. Then he is not an engine driver. The poet is not an ordinary engine driver, but a mighty astronaut. The people said what? The poet is a mighty astronaut. Do you know the meaning astronaut, children? Yeah, see the picture. Astronaut. An astronaut is a person trained to travel in a spaceship. Once again, I will repeat. An astronaut is a person trained to travel in a spaceship. Okay, so the people appreciating the poet. In how? The poet is a mighty astronaut. Okay, see the meaning once again, children. When the engine will cross the sky, it got more power. Within a minute, 90 miles it passed, and people appreciating the poet. In how, children? The poet got more courage. Then he is not an ordinary engine man. The poet may be a mighty astronaut. Very good, children. So this is your memory poem. You just thorough it. Okay, can you understand the meaning, children? Write the poem in your note as soon as possible by your textbook. You just memorize the 6 lines, children. See the book exercise. Write the pairs of rhyming words in each verse. Can you remember it? How can you identify rhyming words? Yeah, good. In any poem can be identified by observing the end of the word in each line. Okay, good, children. See the poem and just tell the answer. Tell the answer, children. Okay, good. Fly, sky. Very good, children. Shall I write in textbook? Fly, sky. Okay, good. Next words. Yeah, in it, minute. See, I wrote it. In it, minute. Yeah, good. Check any other word. Okay. Got, astronaut. Got, astronaut. Once again, read the answer. Fly, sky. In it, minute. Got, astronaut. Okay, children, write the poem in your note. Memorize the poem up to the moment I am in it. Okay? See the board, children. I wrote homework from I shall be an engine driver up to the moment I am in it. And I wrote rhyming words also. Fly, sky, in it, minute, got, astronaut. Okay, remaining exercise I will explain next class. Okay, children? Thank you.